back to my channel. Hello and welcome to Mel's Kitchen. Mel's Kitchen. Mel's Kitchen. Mel's Kitchen. That's content. Mel's Kitchen. So we didn't really do too much for this intro today because we're not doing that. Actually, on Instagram, I was like, what should I make for this week's cooking video? I was like, quesadillas or Cheeto Wings. I wanted y'all to pick quesadillas because they're easy, but y'all said Cheeto Wings, so I'm gonna give to people what they ask. So first, we're gonna wash our hands, and then we're gonna come back and get started. All right, so got the chicken wings right here, a bowl, because I just thawed them out. They thawed out, whatever. Cheetos, if y'all want to know what size, it's like this, like the big size. It's just one bag in here. So I'm gonna smash it up with this. I'm gonna do it better, but y'all can do it. This is pretty much the seasoning, but I'm gonna use some of this too. I was gonna use salt and pepper, but this joint clutch because it got everything in there. And to coat the pan, are you gonna say hey? Yeah. Say what's up, Bell Squad? Bell Nation. So, I just sprayed some of this on there. I use a mixture or variation of this, butter or olive oil, one of the three, just because it helps it helps stuff stick to the chicken. It's not even oatmeal, it's chicken.
It's chicken.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings?
Yeah. I'm making a chicken wing.
In the goddamn refrigerator. Eating up all the food. All the chicken. All the pig feet.
Anyways, spray this on there, and I just use this to, like, rub it on there so it's actually on the chicken. Alright. And then put it on my napkin. Designated for the stuff that's already touched the chicken. In case stereotech come rolling through. That's for all my people that work at fast food. Y'all know what it is. I'm actually about to...
What it is.
Yes. Make a dip. Make a dip. Make a dip. Take a sip. Alright, so this is what I came up with. Alright. Your girl be pumping that iron. You know, I'm over here smashing this on my big muscles. Because y'all just need to get like me. You know? Look at that. Dust. It's not even really ground out all the way, but that's enough. But I was like doing it so I like literally put a hole in it. But anyway, so I'm gonna put them in here, shake it up. I add this on the chicken first, so when it's in there, it's already coated. Do that. Take this, just turn them in it, so it evenly gets both sides. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's a yum, and I'm getting really rich. This has a hole in it, so I'm gonna do a bag. If you wanna know what size I'm using the store brand gallon bags, period. That's it, that's all.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Y'all know I'm ready to transfer this nice. Hold up. Yeah. Oh, y'all see how it's like still like some big pieces? I think it's good enough. They don't look egg chips. So, okay, here we go.
That's my mommy.
Oh, I usually put ranch on to like also help it stick. So it's okay because we're gonna ride this. Okay, so all right. Ew. Oh no, I couldn't touch up, hunty. Sorry, I'm a germaphobe. Ooh. This be the germs. This be me catching them because they ain't coming up in this one. Nah, G, I ain't speaking to you right now. You know how you be at the cookout and they be putting the fish in the flour and they shake it up real good? I be in my line with my plate like this. Waiting. Look, getting in there, coat it. All right. Y'all, these are nasty. I'm gonna be mad at y'all for picking them because I'm gonna have to sit here and eat them. And that's what I'm saying, to put the oil and stuff on there because it helps it stick. Because without it, it's not going to really stick that well. Is that all of them? All right. So we're going to do the second batch. I got the oven on 400, by the way. All right, we're going to shake it. Okay, you guys ready? We're going to shake it out. Wait, back. Lean back. Lean back. Hey, lean back. Hey. Shake it like a salt. Speed it up. How speed it up? Like that? All right. Yo, this thing smells spicy. Smelling spicy, gang up in this thing. What are you talking? I'm doing the most because I'm gonna make sure that it's coated. This is like this. You don't gotta eat it, sis. Hey, that's my song. This is my song. All right, shook up. In the stove, Mella got the dough. It's like, nah, I don't got no dough. I got chicken, about to be licking, finger licking good in my hood. I live in Silverwood. If you know, then you know. CCB girl, what do you know? Got the flow. Eat the chicken and it's hot. Ooh, oh no. Yeah. Alright, anyway, so what I said, yeah, I got chicken on 400. I mean, chicken on 400. Got the oven on 400. Y'all, this look kind of good. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna put some extra, like, on there. Yee. Chee. This one ain't trying to act right. Is that doing anything, y'all? I don't know. Alright. Alright. Okay, so I'm just debating on if I should cover it up or not. No, because since I wanted to stick, I'm just letting the heat get to it. So 400, this might be on for about 20 minutes or so. It's definitely hot enough. So this will be looking like. I don't know if I can see it. Y'all can see. So I'm gonna put this in there and I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 30 minutes, so
No.
you don't know what see me just stay here and act done for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna come back when they finish. Hold up. It's like, nah, I'll be back 30 minutes when they done, okay? Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay. The moment of truth you guys are all waiting for. My Leah, get your wing. They know what you look like. So, okay, so this is what they look like. They look like wings. They look like wingsings. Hold up, thumbnail. Okay. Yeah. So this is what they end up looking like. Ready? Oh, you hoe. I think they're good. What you think? You want some? Come. You don't like them?
It just tastes like chicken.
You want to think it tastes different?
My teeth look crunchy.
They're good. At first I said they want spicy. They're not over the top. They're not over the top, but they're good. You gotta eat a couple of them before you realize that they're hot. You know what else? I should have did a mixture of like Takis and like the black hot fries bag. Yeah. Wow. I think it's a pass. Like when I make these and like serve them for like to other people, yeah. And also ranch. You don't put hit with some ranch. Well, that's all I got for y'all today. I'm just gonna sit here and drink my mimosa with no alcohol. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. But yeah, like if you like the video, comment below. Y'all got other stuff I should cook? Tell me. I mean, I can't really ask y'all what y'all think because y'all. Yeah, don't forget to make sure that y'all follow me on Instagram and that y'all enter my giveaway because it's gonna end February 1st, and I need y'all to. I just want to give y'all some moolah. Moolah be getting that moolah. Cause Bella be getting that moolah. I just want y'all to enter it so I can give y'all. Y'all gave me 500 plus. Wow, like 500 plus. Like, wow, thank you. If y'all give me 500 plus, I just want to give y'all back. I just want to give back. So make sure you guys are checking that out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. 4 steps, y'all. 4 rules